GM everyone, Jairus James here from OSPN, the Open Source People's Network, and we create content that highlights the activities that goes on within DAO communities, as well as shed light on open source tooling that takes DAOs to the next level. Today, we're discussing a recently accepted AIP from the ApeCoin DAO, analyzing some reasons why it passed and what we can learn from it. The AIP we'll be discussing is AIP 463, Empowering Otherside Wiki, a proposal that secured funding to expand the Otherside Wiki, a core data hub for ApeChain and the Otherside, which is the ApeCoin native metaverse. This AIP is a great example of why certain proposals succeed, and we're going to highlight some common elements and accepted AIPs as well as we break this one down. Alright, here's the TLDR for AIP 463 submitted by Frosties. Otherside Wiki, it focuses on providing deep data insights, in-game metrics, and marketplace information for ApeChain and ApeCoin related projects. The funding will be used to modernize the platform's user interface, integrate multilingual support, implement a personalized gaming and data feed, and ensure that all premium interactions on the platform are transacted solely in ApeCoin. Now, let's break down some of the reasons why AIP 463 was approved. The success of this proposal is largely due to three core factors. 1. Strategic ApeCoin integration. The proposal made ApeCoin the exclusive currency for all premium transactions on the platform, and by doing so, the Otherside Wiki set up ApeCoin as a functional utility token, not just a governance token. This means Ape holders can use their tokens directly to access premium insights, data feeds, and other platform-specific features, which ultimately drives ApeCoin adoption and demand. Number 2, enhance community engagement on ApeChain and the Otherside. So the Otherside Wiki's team designed the platform to offer a highly customizable data feed where users can get real-time updates on ApeChain developments, gaming activities, and ApeCoin initiatives. This helps keep users informed and engaged, positioning Otherside Wiki as the primary data hub for ApeChain and all ApeCoin related projects. Now, number 3, global accessibility and scalable growth. Another reason for this AIP's success is for the proposal's commitment to global accessibility and scalability. The addition of Spanish and Chinese language support expands ApeCoin's reach across different regions, while the serverless architecture ensures smooth performance for a growing number of users. Together, these features align with ApeCoin DAO's broader goals by making the platform accessible to a larger global community. It's also worth noting that AIP 463 received a ton of community support on forum. I'm going to highlight a few core community members that actually holds roles within the DAO that have shown their support in the comments section on forum. So I want to give a shout out to Kodama, who is another AIP accepted author as well. Want to give a shout out to Dim, who is a member of the Metaverse Working Group, and also Riders, who is an accepted AIP author, and he also won AIP of the month for the month of August. All of these core community members, they have shown their support for AIP 463 in the comment section. Now, I would like to encourage a few projects to actually apply for ApeCoin DAO funding. So I would like for you guys to submit an AIP on forum whenever you guys begin working on your AIP idea or draft. So I want to give a shout out to Axel. They are building a team of AI agents. They're building a solver system so that DAOs can automate any task that they wish. I want to give a big shout out to Ari Santos and Jacob Cozy for working together on creating this project, as well as everyone affiliated with Axel. Big shout outs to you guys. I think what would be interesting is to actually utilize your solver system to automate the DAO treasury in a way so that we can generate revenue perpetually in a way where we don't necessarily have to think about it all the time. Like, just set it and forget it with an AI system that can prove to actually help us generate revenue on autopilot. And talking about utilizing AI agents within the DAO, I want to give a big shout outs to Hats Protocol. So big shout outs to Nick and Spencer Graham as the co-founders of HATS protocol, because if we were to utilize AI agents within ApeCoin DAO, they're going to need permissions, they're going to need roles, and HATS protocol brings roles on chain. So guys, if you were to write an AIP draft to receive funding from ApeCoin DAO, in order to bring all of our roles on chain, whether it's Discord roles or discourse roles, I'd love to help you actually write your proposal. Been a big fan of HATS protocol for quite some time, and also want to give a shout out to Praise. Now Praise can actually create a directory of all accomplishments for each contributor within the DAO. Now not all contributions are made on forum. You have contributions made on Discord, you have contributions that are being discussed within Telegram as they complete a certain task or objective within the DAO. So it'd be really nice to easily give them praise using the praise bot, and then having a directory that can just showcase all the different contributors by their skill set within the DAO. One of the co-founders of Praise is Grift, and Griff, I highly encourage you to also submit an AIP for funding from ApeCoin DAO as well, and if you need assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Alright guys, well that wraps up our educational video on how to write a successful AIP for ApeCoin DAO using real examples of accepted AIPs in the past. Remember, your AIP has a much stronger chance of passing if it provides ROI for the DAO treasury, or at least has the potential for strong social impact, exposing ApeCoin DAO to a wider audience. Also, it's important to activate the community and create more utility for ApeCoin. So stay tuned for more highlights on successful AIPs as we cover them on a weekly basis. Now, if you're working on something that could benefit the DAO, we encourage you to submit an AIP on the ApeCoin DAO forum. It only takes one ape to do so. Also, I'd like to give a special shout out to daospace, a DAO discovery engine that's in private beta that provided all the insights into the patterns of identifying successful AIPs by analyzing all accepted and rejected AIPs. Now, if you'd like to gain early access to the platform when it goes live, follow them on X to find out first at daospace_AI, and follow OSPN on X while you're at it at OSPN HQ, and subscribe to us on YouTube to stay updated on all the latest DAO news.